Hey everyone, Matthew Moniz here, and right in front of me I have the Acer Swift 3. Now you're thinking, Matt, this is just a budget ultrabook, but trust me, this has one feature I've been dying for on a budget ultrabook, and that's the 3:2 aspect ratio. Usually to get a 3:2 aspect ratio, you gotta buy a Huawei MateBook or a Microsoft Surface laptop, but we finally have it in a much more affordable package. It's light at 1.2 kilograms, it's running the latest 10th gen processors. Sure, it's not made out of the fanciest alloy you can find, but it's still durable and portable, and I think that's the most important thing to take consideration of. Now, there's tons of ports to use as well. Like on the left-hand side, you have your full HDMI, USB 3.2, and yes, this is a Thunderbolt 3 port, something that a lot of other companies are omitting from their budget lineup. So you can take this home, hook it up to an external GPU or even a couple of 4K displays, and it's gonna run perfectly. On the other side, you have another USB port. You have some LED indicators, Kensington lock, and then of course, your audio jack. You even get security features, like a fingerprint scanner to quickly log you in. Now, I don't know what the price is, but I will find out and I'll place it somewhere on the screen so that you guys can check it out for yourselves. But this should be available soon, and I'm just glad that we finally have more companies making 3:2 aspect ratios. Now, if you want to go up to something that's a little bit more premium, they also have the Acer Spin 5. It's also doing 3:2, but you also get a built-in pen on the side of the laptop. It's a 2-in-1 form factor, so you have the capabilities to use it as a drawing board. Anyways, I'm pretty excited. Thank God more laptop companies are making 3:2 aspect ratios. I'm gonna say it, I'm putting my foot down. It's hands down the best aspect ratio for productivity. Anyway, stay tuned for more news from CES 2020. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.